Oh, funny. I was in the grocery store the other day, and like I don't know if the checkout guy like saw my card or something, because it's like TD Canada Trust.
Right.
But I'm like standing there. He's like, "You're Canadian." I'm like, "Yes, I am." He goes, "Justin Trudeau, Prime Minister." I'm like, "Yep, that's right. He is our Prime Minister." He's like, "He's everywhere here, like newspapers, TV."
That's awesome.
I'm glad that like you think Canada and that equals Justin Trudeau, and then you go a little further south and it's like America equals Donald Trump.
Yeah. Yeah.
I saw this tweet.
Yeah.
I wish I had saved it. It was like 2016, Trump can't actually get voted president, can he? 2017, Trump can't actually put that law through, can he? 2018, are you watching the Hunger Games tonight? I hope my district wins.
Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, how terrific.
That's hilarious.
I was like, oh my god, like scary true. Like funny, but like yikes.
Yeah.